Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. Sherwin. We're back with math class today. As usual, we're going to start off with an exit ticket here from Module 4, or Lesson 4 from Module 3. It's multiplying by 10, so we're going to be doing this all day today, well, in math class anyways. Remember, when you multiply by 10, you add a 0 to the other number. When you multiply by 100, you add the 2 zeros, and if you multiply by 1,000, you add the 3. We did this in a mini lesson or an ed puzzle on Thursday, okay? So remember, put your name at the top of this sheet. You're gonna have about 5 minutes to do so or less, all right? All right, I'll be back in a few moments. Teachers, pause now. All right, I hope you had success with this. Now let's take a look and see our answers. So A was 50, 5 times 10 is 50. B, 100 times 5 is 500. C, 5,000 5 times 1,000 is equal to 5,000. See, this kind of messes me up too when I see that equal sign here is on the left side of the equation. But we still have to say, like, what times 1,000 equals 5,000? So if it helps you and you see this equal sign here, you could cross that out and just put it on the opposite side, the whole thing, all right? If it helps you to do it this way, all right? So it's okay to take that equal sign and put it on the opposite side if it helps you, all right? So down here, 10 times 2 is 20. 100 times 20 is 2,000. Now this one was seemed a little bit odd to me, but I see that there's already a 0 here, right? So I see 20. So I boxed this 20 in my mind, and I see that there's 2 zeros at the end, so I needed to multiply this by 100 times 20 gets you there. And then here's the same thing. I see this 10, all right? So there's a 0 already. Right, so there's my 0, so what's left over is 200. So 200 times 10 is 2,000. And again, if you needed to take that equal sign and place it on this side, you can do that. All right, G is 100 times 18 is 1,800. All right, just put down the 1 times 18 is 18 and bring the 2 zeros over. 10 times 32 is 320. 48 times 100 is 4,800 or 4,800. 60 times 4 is 240. Remember, 6 times 4 is 24. Put the 0 on the end, you get 240. 5 times 600 is 3,000. So I would do 5 times 6 and get 30. And then just bring over the 2 zeros and get 3,000. And then here, 8,000 times 5. Do 8 times 5, that gives you 40. And then bring your 3 zeros over, so that'd be 40,000. Okay, we're going to be doing a lot of this today, so pay close attention. You know, the answers will try to, or the questions might try to trick you a little bit. So we're going to be on our toes. Pay close attention to this because we need to know how to do it. All right, so hang tight. We'll be right back with the I can statement.